What if I told you that long before Black Panther's Wakanda graced our screens, a real African kingdom defeated an European empire? A victory forged with courage, unity, and yes, even archery. In 1896, the Battle of Adwa became a pivotal moment in the world history. Ethiopia, under the leadership of Emperor Menelik II and Empress II, stood against the powerful Italian army. Picture that alongside modern rifles, Ethiopian warriors charged forward with traditional bows, arrows, and shields, their hearts fueled by faith and unyielding love for freedom. Much like the warriors of Wakanda, the Ethiopians fought not for riches or conquest, but for their very identity. Their armor wasn't forged from vibranium, it was woven from unbreakable unity and sheer bravery. Every arrow that soared over the mountains of Adwa carried a powerful message, the story of a people who'd never bow to colonial rule against all odds. They achieved a monumental victory, safeguarding not just Ethiopia, but the dignity of an entire continent. So, before Wakanda captured our imaginations, Adwa demonstrated what was truly possible, a real triumph where courage was the ultimate superpower. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more incredible stories from history.